If you're a mom over 40 trying to make money from home, you do not need five different side hustles to make full-time income online. You need one problem that you know how to solve and five ways to turn that one solution into income. That is the difference between constantly chasing another side hustle and building an income ecosystem that can keep working even while you're offline. I'm going to show you five realistic passive income streams that you can build around one simple idea. And stand to the last one because it is the shortcut that I personally used to make over $15,000 in my first 30 days without creating the original product myself. But first, a quick reality check. Passive income does not mean that you do nothing. Passive income is leveraged income. It means you do the work once, build the system correctly, and then give the work an opportunity to keep paying you. If we haven't met yet, I'm Kimberly Latona. I'm a mom of three boys. I have a master's degree in business, and I've spent more than 15 years coaching entrepreneurs and building businesses. A few years ago, I was making six figures from seven different side hustles. But even though I figured out how to make good money online, managing seven separate businesses did not feel like the freedom that entrepreneurship promised me. It felt like seven jobs. And having seven jobs while raising three young kids was not sustainable. What finally changed was learning how to build multiple income streams around one audience, one problem, and one simple system. That allowed me to build full-time online income in part-time hours and travel the world full-time with my husband and three children during 2025, all of last year. So let's dive in. To make this easy to understand, I'm going to use one example throughout this entire video. Okay, so imagine you've created an ADHD-friendly Sunday reset that helps busy moms organize their entire week. So meals, school schedules, appointments, laundry, the most important tasks. You are not building five unrelated businesses. Okay, you're taking that one useful solution and that one problem that person has and creating five connected income streams around it. So you could apply this exact model to almost any topic that you know well. Okay. What do I know? It could be underwater basket weaving. Okay. Whatever topic you know well. But before I dive into the income streams, I want you to download my Freedom Formula blueprint below. This is the exact blueprint that I use to go from completely stuck trading time for money to creating a full-time income in just a couple hours a day. Okay, so the first income stream, your own digital product. Okay, you can start with one small result. The first income stream is your own digital product. This could be an ebook, a checklist, a template, a bundle, right? A planner, a recorded workshop, a mini course. Um, so using our Sunday reset example, you could create the 15-minute Sunday reset for busy ADHD moms. Okay, that might include a weekly planning page, a meal planning template, a school calendar checklist, a brain dump worksheet, and a simple Sunday routine. Okay, the best digital products to sell online are usually not the biggest products. They're the products that solve a specific problem quickly. Okay, my student Janet started with a simple $7 guide based on her experience with high blood pressure and insulin resistance. Then she created a more complete $47 protocol. Okay, she didn't start with a giant course or a huge audience. She started on Instagram with 0 followers. Okay, she began with one clear problem and one small solution, and she grew the business to $24,000 months in under 4 months, starting a brand new Instagram account, like I said, with no business background and no experience selling digital products. Okay, that is the real foundation of selling digital products online. One person, one painful problem, and one clear result. Okay, so the second income stream, affiliate marketing. So the second income stream is affiliate marketing, and this is just you recommending products or services that you already use and earning a commission when someone purchases through your link. So for example, inside the Sunday Reset product, you might recommend your favorite planner, okay, or a label printer on Amazon, or meal prep containers, or a family calendar app, or organization supplies, okay? Anything that is helpful to you that actually adds value to the product, okay? You're recommending things that are actually useful to your people, right? You're not just trying to sell them something because you want to make money. You're actually adding value to the product because you're making it simple for them to get to your favorite planner that actually works for you instead of them having to go to Amazon and type in planner and then sort through all the reviews, okay? You're recommending something that you actually would recommend, that you like. Okay, so and you can include those links inside of your guide, in your resource section, in your emails, even in your YouTube description if you use YouTube as your main platform. Okay, So now one customer is generating revenue from the original product and additional affiliate commissions. Okay. I don't recommend building your entire business around low commission affiliate products. Okay. But as a layer to like add to your business that you already have, affiliate income can be a really useful bonus. Okay, so notice what's happening here. Okay, we're not creating a second audience. We're not choosing another niche. We are helping the same person save a problem more completely. And that is how you add income without adding chaos or starting over every month. Okay, income stream number 3, YouTube. Okay, your third income stream is YouTube. YouTube can generate income in 3 different ways. First, your videos promote your digital product. Okay, second, your descriptions can include affiliate links, like we just talked about. And then third, once your channel qualifies, YouTube can pay you advertising revenue. Okay, so once you have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least, I think, 4,000 public watch hours, you can get YouTube to pay you for just posting your own videos. Okay. So using the same Sunday reset example, you could create videos like my ADHD friendly reset as a mom of 3, or how I plan meals and school schedules without getting overwhelmed, or 5 things busy moms should do every Sunday, or why your weekly planner is not working and how to fix it. Okay, so each video answers a question your ideal customer is already searching for. Then you naturally invite them to download your free checklist or purchase your complete Sunday reset system. Okay, and that is why I believe that YouTube is one of the best ways to sell digital products online. Unlike content on Instagram or TikTok or even Facebook that disappears within a day, a YouTube video can keep generating views, leads, sales for months or even years. Okay, so for anyone researching how to sell digital products online without marketing investment, YouTube gives you an organic option that's also evergreen. Okay, so it's compounding. Okay, so the platform behind the system, I use System.io to run my entire business. Okay, landing pages, email marketing, checkout pages, sales, funnels, product hosting, automated delivery. I used to use a bunch of different systems. I used MailChimp and Linktree and what was the other one called? Kajabi. I pieced together all of the things and even the Zapier. Okay, and I pieced everything together, and it got very expensive because you're paying for all of these different things, and if something breaks, you don't know where it breaks. Okay, the tech is easier if you just use one system that is an all-in-one solution. Okay, so for my business, this is one of the strongest options for the best platform to sell digital products online, especially when you want everything in one place. Okay, it also offers a free plan, not just a free trial, a free plan with up to 2,000 subscribers, so you can start making money long before you have to pay any monthly subscription for software. Okay, income stream number 4. A membership or a paid community. Okay, so this is where you're turning information into support and recurring revenue. So information is everywhere now. Okay, people can search Google, they can watch YouTube, they can ask AI for another checklist or to solve their problem. But what they often cannot get from a free search is personalized support, okay, accountability, feedback, community, and a reason to keep implementing. So your Sunday Reset product could eventually become the Calm Week Club. Okay, members might receive a new planning template each month, or live weekly planning sessions, maybe meal planning support, monthly organization challenges, accountability, and a private community of other busy moms. Okay, this creates recurring monthly income while helping your customers get a better result, get a deeper result. Okay, and this is also why I created the Digital Freedom Collective. Okay, my members don't just need another course sitting unfinished in an open tab. Okay, they need a clear strategy, weekly coaching, feedback, accountability, and support when they get stuck. So a membership is not completely passive. You still support the community, but you choose how involved you want to be and how often you want to show up. And if you want to choose to get help to run your community once it grows. Okay. It also gives you leverage because you can help several people at once instead of repeating the same answer in separate one-on-one conversations or private coaching, one-on-one coaching, which I also do. Okay. So, income stream number 5. Master resale rights. This is the shortcut when you don't want to create the product or when you don't know what product to create. Okay, so this is the 5th income stream. This is the option that I used when I wanted to begin selling a digital product without creating the original program from scratch. Okay, it felt overwhelming. I was like, how am I going to get testimonials? How will I know if somebody's actually going to buy this? Where will I sell it? Who will I sell it to? Okay, here's how to use master resale rights to earn online. You purchase a digital product or education program that includes a resale license, okay? It could be resale rights or it could be master resale rights. The difference is master resale rights allows you to sell the program, and also it allows the person you sell it to resell it. Okay, so you receive access to the training, and then the license allows you to resell the product according to the terms. Okay, so the program that I personally joined included digital marketing education, 4 completed ready to sell digital products at $100, $300, $600, and $900. Done for you funnel and website assets. So I didn't have to create my own funnel. I didn't have to set up my own website. It was all done for me. I just had to like put in my own, like personalize it. Plug and play email sequences. Again, just put in my name. It was already set up. Automation training, technical support every week, weekly coaching, and community. So I made my investment back within 48 hours because the product was already done. Okay. So even if I know it requires an upfront investment, but the product is already done. So you can make money so much faster because you don't have to create anything. So I generated $15,300 in my first 30 days. And during my first year, I earned more than $50,000 in profit from that first MRR product. Okay. So those are my personal results, but so many other people in our community have made significantly more than me. Okay. So many people are making more. Here, look at these. Check these out. 2,900 in 6 days. Okay. 900 on a lazy Sunday, 6,300 in less than 2 weeks, 900 painting my nails, 4,900 in 8 days. Okay, these are all real results from people in our community selling the same digital marketing program, but none of these results are guaranteed, obviously. And the program does require an investment, and it requires learning and content creation and consistent marketing. Okay, but the MRR digital product was a starting point for me and so many others. And the long-term value was learning skills that we could use forever to grow an online business. Okay, so come back to me now. If you're multitasking, you do not need to launch all 5 income streams this week. Okay, that would defeat the entire purpose. We're not trying to make this overwhelming or difficult. Start with 1. Okay, build the next layer when the first one is already clear and already making you money. Okay, so your progression might look like this: digital product to affiliate recommendations to YouTube traffic to membership. Okay, or you might want to start with a master resale rights digital product and learn digital marketing and then create your own offers later. The goal is not more complexity. Okay. The goal is more leverage from the work that you're already doing. So don't don't come out of this video with 5 new ideas and no clear step. Okay. Download my freedom formula blueprint below, and then watch this next video where I break down the easiest side hustle to start after 40. Okay. So watch that next, because knowing the 5 possible income streams is helpful, but choosing the right first one is actually what gets you started. Okay. See you in the next video.